Hello, my fellow oddities. Welcome to part 3 of our red-eyed tree frog. If this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and go ahead and share it. While you're at it, why don't you take a visit to my website? I've got all sorts of stuff available on there to help support me. And with that out of the way, we're going to get right into today's video. So to start off today, I wanted to get these feet dialed in a little bit. So I got some cadmium red out and some cadmium yellow and just played around and mixed up some orange tones. For these shadows, I found that a lot of it is just like a really dark red tone in there. And so that's exactly what I did. I just used some straight cadmium red on a lot of those shadows. And then occasionally I would mix in a little bit of Mars black just to darken it up. I did have a little bit of difficulty matching that orange tone, so you'll see I go back and forth between different tones until I finally reached that tone that I was happy with. At first it just looked a little too pink or peach and it just wasn't quite right, but I played around with it a little bit and I think I ended up getting it pretty good. wanted to start working on tackling some of these arms, and for that I just wanted to get this blue color out of the way. And if you get to looking in there, there's a lot of different tones. There's some light blue, and there's even some purple and red hues in there. So I wanted to make sure I got those added in there, and I played around with the blue tones and everything like that on the arms until I was pretty happy with them. I like the way it's coming out. All right, now that we're satisfied with these arms, let's move on to this underbelly. So I mixed up a little bit of mid and light tone grays just to get these reflective wet parts done. And then from there, I got out my yellow ochre and Mars black again and mixed it in and just got everything to play together and mesh well. I really like how this ended up looking. If you really take a look, there's some brown and red and purple hues just being reflected, and I just wanted to get those in there. I think I ended up overlaying them just perfectly to where they blended in just right. That's gonna do it for this episode. If you've been following along, then you should have something relatively close to this. One more episode, this red-eyed tree frog should be done. Remember, if this is your first time, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, go ahead and share it, take a visit to that website, and I'll see you in the next episode.